All right, guys. So after a few days, I want to show you some progress. I restored some of the small parts. There's actually a spring that goes on the clutch pedal. I cleaned off the rust off of it and painted it. And also, there's a spring, a return spring for the brake pedal itself. Also, cleaned that up and painted it because it was rusty. So here they are. Here's the spring for the brake pedal. This is another spring for the clutch pedal. So we're gonna put some apple jam on this shaft, cleaned up this shaft as well. And I'm gonna slide the spring in and finally this piece. And I will coat the spring as well, so it doesn't start or try to ever rust in the next 100 years. Cover that in grease. Goes like this. Now we can install it. Then there's also a C-clip that goes there. Tension, you gotta compress the spring and install this part, and then at the end you're gonna install how that works. This spring helps it so it's easier to push the pedal. It's not as crazy stiff. Chains, spring. Early style disc. Brake pads are getting close. It's actually no good. Need to be replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this as well. Check what's there. So the condition of Bremsschlauch. Make sure it's that one. being a big pain. I thought this bleeder was gonna break off, but I got lucky. Didn't break off. I loosened this nut, but this nut is like seized to the line, so it's spinning as a unit. So, trying to figure that out. Yeah, this side is a lot harder actually. Wheel bearing is out. I'm gonna take this out, clean it, and repack with fresh grease. Gonna be again immobile to get resurfaced because I cannot find any brand new brake discs here in this country, and for now I have to wait a couple of days because the shop is busy, but they're gonna resurface my front rotors and I'm gonna get new brake pads for this thing, but yeah, it's not easy, but for now I'm just gonna roll with resurfaced rotors. It's gonna be okay. I just have to wait a couple days because the shop is busy doing other things.